In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format videos for TikTok with CapCut PC. If you've got a horizontal or widescreen screen recording and you want it to look clean and professional in a vertical feed, this is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on PC. The goal here is simple: convert your project into the proper TikTok format, make the footage fill the screen, and position the most important part of the video so it's easy to see on mobile. To get started, head to the central preview playback window. You'll want to move your mouse to the bottom right corner of that preview area. There you'll find the ratio button. By default, this is usually set to the original aspect ratio or a standard widescreen format. Click that ratio button once to open the display layout grid panel. This is where CapCut lets you control the basic shape of your project canvas. Next, we're going to switch the project into a vertical frame. In the Layout Options drop-down, scroll until you find the setting labeled 9:16. This option also includes a TikTok icon, which makes it easy to spot. Click on that once. As soon as you do, the preview screen updates to a tall vertical format. This is the ideal layout for TikTok and other short-form mobile platforms, and it gives you a much better idea of how your content will actually appear to viewers on their phones. Now that the frame is vertical, the next step is making sure your footage fills that space properly. Click once on your video clip in the timeline so it's selected. Then move over to the top right Properties panel. Under the Video section and inside the Basic submenu, look for the Scale control. You can drag the scale slider to the right, or if you want a precise value, type in 150% and press Enter. This enlarges the footage so it fills the vertical frame and removes those distracting black bars at the top and bottom. Once the video fills the screen, take a moment to adjust what's actually visible inside that vertical crop. You can use the position controls in the same panel, or simply click and drag the frame directly in the preview window. This is especially useful if your screen recording contains important details that need to stay centered and easy to read. And that's it. You've updated the preview player ratio, switched to a 9:16 TikTok-friendly layout, scaled the footage in the Video Basic panel, and adjusted the position so the most important content stays in focus. With just a few quick changes, your video is now formatted and ready for TikTok.